Yeah, installing new brake chamber. Okay, on a trailer. That's the old one right there. Mistake I did was the service line and the emergency line. I marked it. Okay, before you take the hairline out, you must mark the emergency and the service line, and I'm supposed to install the line before I mounted the brake chamber. And now it takes me to cut the hairline out and put it. And now I need to have a connector like this, the hose connector, the line connector to connect to the one I cut. So before you put back the brake chamber, make sure you connect the emergency line and the service line first before you install the brake chamber. That's going to be difficult for you to put a line back on. Okay guys, thank you guys. Okay, this is how it goes. As you can see, it's ready to go.